Hello all. In this section of the Python programming tutorial, we shall look into passing parameters to functions. Let us try out a small program that demonstrates it. In Python, this is the way in which we define a function header, and the rest of the portion is the function body. Def. Def is the keyword that is used to denote the function. Let us now print a hello world string. Now we have completed the function header as well as function body. Now let us call the greeting function. So after running the main.py using the Python interpreter, we can see the output from greeting function. Now we shall define another function which is capable of adding two numbers. This example demonstrates the passing of parameters into the function and printing the output by returning the value. This add function takes in two variables, that is a as well as b. These are the parameters that are passed into the function add. Let us see how this function can be called from main function. While defining a function, you have to take care that you have used the def keyword as well as the function header is terminated using a colon. On executing the add with parameters 4 as well as 1, you can see the output in the terminal as 5. In this part of the tutorial, we have seen how to call a function, define a function, as well as define a function that receives parameters, and also calling function using parameters, as well as returning the calculated values and printing that values in the terminal. That's all for this section. Thank you.